Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI. Do you ever have that time of the day when you're craving that sugary snack? I always do, and let me tell you what I found here that has satisfied my sweet tooth. I'm loving this chocolate from Green and Blacks. I choose the 70% cacao. This is perfect for me. It's not overly sweet or too bitter. I really appreciate that these chocolates are organic. I love the shape of it since you can have either the whole bar or you can choose to have a little squares, as you can see here. I choose to have a couple of them every day. And I also appreciate that these chocolates are delicious. I mean, they have a variety of them, but this one, I think it's just the right taste, the right texture. I also appreciate the ingredients. They have very few ingredients. You can totally understand what each of them are. This chocolate is guilt-free. It's so delicious and it even has health benefits, but that's just my point of view.